on third. Wait, go on 40, go 40. I go. Whenever you're ready, go.
I'm ready.
Oh shit.
Alright. Hold on, just go. Hold on. I'm on 60. 60? Yeah. Do a 60 roll. Alright. Wait, hold on. You on fourth gear? I'm on third. Third? Alright, yeah.
Yo, that was good. That shit was good, bro. That shit was good as fuck.
Damn, that shit was good.
That shit was good as fuck, bro.
Wait, hold on. You on fourth gear?
I'm on third.
Third?
Yeah.
I'm ready.
That shit was pulling at the end, baby.
That shit was good, bro.
Damn. Damn, that shit was good.
I can't see. I can't see shit. Go.
That was a good as fuck, bro.
Right here. There's a nigga flying right here. 60.
I'm on fourth.
Hurry up.
Go. Beep. That was a good run.
Yeah. Wait, hold on. Yeah, how the fuck
you ready?
Go, whenever you're ready. Oh, they're racing back there.
Yo, I pulled on this nigga.
You got him?
Yeah, by like half a car. That shit was good.
Ready?
Wait, hold on. Yeah. I'm not even.
Yeah, how the fuck you ready?
Go whenever you're ready.
Oh, they're racing back there.
Top speed.
The ladder.
You ready?
Look at the ladder.
You ready? My shit hesitates, bro. My shit hesitated right there, bro. That's some bullshit.
I'll honk, right?
Yo, watch out, there's cars, bro. You just get out.
Dang, that's like we're bringing stuff.
That was good. That was good.
Aqui ele entrega drag, yo.
This nigga jumped, bro.
I can't hear the beeps.
Oh, you can't hear the beeps? Oh, fuck.